Hi friends, today I will be speaking to you about this interesting tale of Rahu and Ketu and how they have the power to eclipse the moon and the sun. So long time back, Durvasa Rishi went to Swarg and he met Indra and gifted him a garland, which he in turn put it onto his white elephant Aravat, who irritated with the smell then just threw it on the ground. Now this angered Durvasa Rishi and he cursed Indra that he will lose all his opulence and the world will become Shrihin. So Shri means Lakshmi, Mangalya or good luck in our lives. And he cursed the entire universe to become Shrihin. Now people started suffering without food because Lakshmi is not something required only for luxuries but is also required for the basic necessities of our life. Now, it was discovered that to bring Lakshmi back, we needed to churn the Shir Sagar or the ocean of milk because that's where Lakshmi had gone. To churn this, the Devtas felt that they did not have enough power and they needed some other help. Now, this event is also called the Sagar Manthan and or the churning of the ocean. And is connected to the materialistic world. There is no place for vairagya or detachment here because it is connected with earth, the matters of money. It's connected with calm, the sensory pleasures, and it's connected with dharma, our duties towards society, family, and gods. Now, Devtas felt that they were too weak to conduct this by themselves, and so they were told that they should seek help from the Asuras. Now, Asuras and Devtas were always on the opposite sides fighting battles, and now they needed to partner. They agreed to partner because they knew that they will be rewarded with many gifts, including the Amrit. Now, same position is there in our subcontinent where when India was one country, we all fought for independence together against the British, one united front. But later we then started having infights, which makes us weak in front of the world, vulnerable, and we can also coexist happily in harmony. So, another symbolism or philosophy of Sagar Manthan or the churning of the ocean is that without churning our minds or doing any research, we cannot discover new things. So Asuras agreed to partner with the Devtas and this massive task began. It was tedious and Mandar mountain was chosen as the churning rod and Vasuki Nag was told by God to become the churning rope. When Mount Mandar was put into the ocean, it just sank to the bottom because it had no base. That's when Lord Vishnu stepped in to help, and he decided to take his second avatar called the Kurum avatar or the tortoise avatar. So why tortoise? Now tortoise firstly lives in water and on earth. It has a head which it can take into its hard shell whenever required, and its hard shell is sturdy enough to hold the Mandar mountain. So this Mandar mountain was then mounted onto Lord Vishnu's back, and the Vasuki Nag was tied around, and one side were Devtas and one side were Asurs. So you can imagine the whole big installation in the sea. Devtas might be considered evil, but then they were the ones who had the power to withstand the poisonous fumes coming out from Vasuki's mouth. And so they were put on the side of the mouth, as the Devtas did not have the power to withstand poisonous fumes. Now, there are many ideas or philosophies behind this whole Sagar Manthan, and one of them is to coexist in nature, to respect nature, and also that in nature coexists poison with nectar or amrit with wish, which we have to accept even in our daily lives, that there is always negativity with positivity. And three kind of chin or symbols came out when the sagar was churned or there was a manthan happened. And just like when we need butter, we have to churn the milk. Similarly, on churning the ocean or the Shir Sagar, came out these three symbols of Arth, Dharma, and Kam. For Kam, there was moon, which symbolizes romance. There was Varuni, the alcohol, and there were Apsaras. For Dharma, there was a horse, and there was the Ravat Hathi. For Arth or the money matters, it was goddess Lakshmi. It was Chintamani jewel. It was the Parijat tree, which was wish fulfilling, and it was Kamdhenu cow, who could feed any number of people. So everything was for the benefit of mankind. And so in today's day and age, when we are in lockdown, we all can use this time to go within, to churn our minds, to churn our inside, to attain something fruitful. Now, since Lakshmi ji or goddess Lakshmi is so important in our lives, I will be chanting a Mahalakshmi Ashtak, which will be the script is there given below in the description, as well as it will show on the screen as I speak. And so I will just chant this Mahalakshmi Ashtak for you. Indra Uvacha Namaste Stu Mahamaye Shripithe Surpujite Shankh Chakra Gadahaste Mahalakshmi Namostute Namaste Garurarude Dhola Surbhayankari Sarva Papa Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute Sarvagye Sarvavarde Sarvadushta Bhayankari Sarvadukha Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute Siddhi Buddhi Prade Devi Bhukti Mukti Pradayani Mantramurte Sada Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute Adyante Rahite Devi Adi Shakti Maheshwari Yogagye Yoga Sambhute Mahalakshmi Namostute Stula Sukshma Maharodre Mahashakti Mahodare Mahapapa Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute Padmasana Sthithe Devi Parabrahma Swarupani Parmeshi Jaganmata Mahalakshmi Namostute Shwetambar Dhare Devi Nana Lankar Bhushite Jagasthite Jaganmata Mahalakshmi Namostute Mahalakshmashtakam Stotram Yah Pathed Bhaktiman Nara Sarvasiddhi Mavapnoti Rajam Prapnoti Sarvada Ekakale Pathe Nityam Mahapapa Vinashanam Dvikalam Ya Pathe Nityam Dhanadhanya Samanvita Trikalam Ye Pathe Nityam Mahashatru Vinashanam Mahalakshmi Bhave Nityam Prasanna Varada Shubha Intyakrit Shri Mahalakshmashtak Stotram Sampurnam. So in my next video, I will be speaking about the rest half of the Sagar Manthan, or another very important part, and that is to do with the role of Shiva and Rahu and Ketu, and the appearance of Amrit, that's nectar, and poison, that's wish. So it is going to be very interesting. Please remember to see it, and if you want to be reminded, you can press the bell icon. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and please like if you like the video. Thank you. See you soon.